Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for the wonderful messages, feedback, and the requests that you people have been sending my way. And also thank you for the overwhelming response and the donations that some of you have sent. Please send me a personal message if you would want me to give you a shout out in my next video for the donations. I'll definitely be happy to do so. Also, I'll definitely do all the requests that are coming my way. It's just that it's taking me some time. So today I'm back with another reading, and this is to let you know what you need to hear right now. It could be in any situation that you are in. So just think about your situation, try and connect to these piles. I've made 3 piles over here. This is a pick a card reading. This is pile number 1, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. This is pile number 2, the Rider Waite Tarot deck. And this is pile number 3, the Art of Tarot deck. Think about your situations, your relationships, anything that's on your mind, anything that you need to hear right now. Try and connect to the energies of these piles. The more you try and tap into these energies of these cards, the more accurate your readings become. Please use these readings as general guidance tools. Also, please remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 1. What you need to hear right now in your current situation. People who've chosen pile number 1, whatever efforts you are putting in your current situation are definitely likely to bring you results. They might take some time. It might be a little bit of delay, or that's what is stressing you because you've put a lot of efforts. You might be feeling that things have not really moved the way, they're not progressing the way you really want them to, whether it's your work, whether it's finances, it could be your career, anything on those lines. Even in relationships, maybe you're feeling that you need to walk away from the situation, or your expectations from your person or from the partner have not been fulfilled. But the cards are extremely promising and are letting you know that it's just this is the last segment of this particular situation or the cycle. Your results are down the line, and definitely peace, prosperity, and a win-win situation is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1. Just try and connect more to the divine, because I do see divine intervention in your situation. I do see that you just now need to leave things to the Almighty. For a lot of you, you might have not really, you might have ignored your situation, or you're just feeling that you don't really have the solution to this particular problem or this particular task that's on your mind. Anything, again, it could be a relationship, something that's that you're waiting for, or has not really moved the way you've wanted it to, or there is something which requires your attention, but because you don't really have the solution to this, or you don't really know how to deal with this particular thing, you've just kept it aside, you might have ignored it. So just this is the right time for you. Just put your last effort in this particular thing. Don't walk away from it. Put your best efforts in this particular situation that you are in, and rest. Just connect with the divine, leave things to the Almighty, for the Almighty to give you the solution. I do see new beginnings. I do see your hopes rising again, and I do see the result coming in your favor. Again, for people who've chosen this pile for relationships also, this will bring you your relationship to a positive note. There will be balance that will be coming in your life very soon. 2 months and 27 days is the maximum time period that the cards are giving you for balance coming in your life. But again, these are general readings, so the time periods may vary. For some people, things might just start happening pretty soon, but there's definitely a change coming your way, and the change is definitely for the positive. It's bringing you a lot of good results. A lot of you might just There's a lot of change, like I said, there's a lot of shifting, a lot of movement. You might change jobs, you might change your career, there might be a shift in your current career situation, there might be change in your relationship status, anything on those lines, but all for the positive. Cards are very positive for you. This is the time for a little more patience and little more will. Your will needs to be really strong. So that's what the miracle cards are also confirming, and the Mystic Monday cards and the miracle cards are both going hand in hand. So avoid impulsive directions and actions or commitments at this point in time. Things have not worked in your favor, or things have not moved the way you wanted them to. Don't be impulsive in taking any decision at this point in time. This time just wants you to be more patient, and very soon things are just going to change in your favor. Also, just avoid all your distractions, any kind of distractions coming in your life. Like I just said, that because things are not moving, maybe your partner is not performing the way you want them to, so you might have a lot of temptation or a new idea to just maybe change your uh, thinking when it comes to your person, or you might just want to just end to this relationship, you might just get attracted to somebody. So don't get into temptation of these new ideas. Just give it some time, and try and focus your energies on the right path, and things will just get sorted out very soon. Your tasks that are at hand, like you've been ignoring a lot of things, even these cards are saying that complete the pending tasks that are there on your mind, and you've just been ignoring them because you felt that you don't really have the right solutions to them, or you felt that it was not the right time, you thought that situation was under control. So just give yourself that last bit, be patient, work towards your pending tasks, rest, you leave things to the Almighty. Also weigh the pros and cons of doing anything at this point in time, whether it's venturing into a new idea or an opportunity that you think is correct, or again something which is related to your relationship. Don't do anything just for the sake of it, or don't be impulsive at this point in time. Think, be patient, create your visions, and be goal oriented, people who've chosen pile number 1. And also be very compassionate with your loved ones. That's very, very important, people who've chosen pile number 1. That because your person is not behaving in a certain manner or is not acting in a certain manner, you need to really give them time, you need to be compassionate towards them. Patience is the key. Just give yourself time, be alert of your situations, but remember that this is a very fragile time. Your relationship is very fragile, your position, your current situation, people around you, they need that compassion, that they need that understanding from your end. Rest, everything will work in your favor. Like I said, balance is coming in your life very soon. People who've chosen pile number 1, be patient, and patience is the key. And rest, work towards your tasks, work for whatever your situation is. Like I said, the results are not coming at this point in time. There might be stress, there might be anxiety on your mind, but soon things will change for you. Again, I'm repeating, 2 months, 2.5 months is the regular time period for people who've chosen this particular pile. For some it might be earlier also, and for some things might take about 4 months to actually get into the right situation which you really want them to. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 1. Please leave your comments and feedbacks in the comments section. And if you like what I do, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. What you need to hear right now. People who've chosen pile number 2, I do see a lot of stress in your situation, in the current situation. It could be any, I see a lot of waiting, lot of anxiety, lot of dullness. Things haven't really moved the way you wanted them to. Things are just stuck, and you're not being able to figure out what is the true face of this situation, or what is the true picture of your situation. It could be any situation. Like I said, these are general readings. For a lot of you, there is, like I said, there is no black, there is no white, it's all messed up, it's all mixed up. And also maybe some of you are in a situation where you're feeling, either you're feeling betrayed, there has been some kind of a betrayal, there has been some kind of a backstabbing, or it could be just simple gossip, backbiting amongst two people, and you're just becoming a part of it, or it's happening, it's regarding you, you don't really know that these people are doing this behind your back, but something on those lines, something which is not correct, something which is messy, lot of fighting, lot of quarrel, maybe a lot of confusion. You're trying to figure out what exactly is the situation. You're waiting for a breakthrough. So let me assure you, first of all, things will get balanced. But at this point in time, this is the time wherein maybe for a lot of you, things have just happened. Something that really bloomed, something that it could be a relationship, it could be your work, it could be your profile, it could be your image at your workplace. Anything that really bloomed, really went up, has really fallen down, has come down with a thud. You're facing this, you're facing the music of a problem, you're facing the music of all these confusions, fightings that have really been going on. You might want a third person to intervene between you and your person, or a boss, or whatever. Like, there has been a backbiting, there has been a betrayal, and you are just looking for what is due to you. You just want to create balance in your life. You're on guard. If somebody pokes you, if somebody tries to attack you, you are sorted. You know what your answers are. You've left the situation. For a lot of you, I do see a three-party situation. I do see a, maybe you and your person, a relationship has had to face a third party into this relationship, or again, it could be a love triangle, or something on those lines has definitely taken place, or you are facing it at the moment. You're in the midst of it. Some of you don't really know that this is going on, and you're trying to figure out. Maybe you're confused. So yes, this is what is going on, and it will take some time for things to get better. It will take time for you to actually start getting content, and trying to sort out this situation. Again, I would say that minimum 2.5 months for a lot of you, 2.5 months for a lot of you to come out of this whole situation, and for all this stress to wean off. But yes, there is a new tomorrow. A lot of you might just be able to sort out things within the next 28 days. Like I said, these are general readings. Time periods may vary. For some of you, just the next 28 days is what is required of you, and you will know that this is my plan, this is my plan of action. I have all my resources with me, and this is what I'm going to do, and things will be just fine. Things will be within your control, the way you want them to happen. Leave things to the Almighty, connect with the Almighty. Meditation will really help you, and you really need to tap into the spiritual side of your higher self. You need to connect. Spirituality at this point in time is your key. Yes, that's what these cards are confirming, that leaving things to the Almighty, praying, connecting, and asking the Almighty to show you the light at the end of the tunnel, because you might just feel that you've lost all hope. You might just feel that there is no point of return at this point in time. So yes, spiritual guidance, or connecting to the higher self, meditation, getting the answers from within yourself will really help people who've chosen pile number 2. You need to bring love back into the situation. So whatever has happened, you need to really think about it. You really need to nurture all this again for things to get better. People who've chosen this particular pile, also, you just need to believe in yourself, that you yourself are good enough to change any situation, to bring back things that have really fallen, things that have really gone down the drain. Just step out of your comfort zone, push yourself to work forward in this situation. It's time to take action for you. People who've chosen this particular pile, whatever you need to do, you will be able to sort out. You will be able to see whether what's actually required of you, what you really need to do in this situation. You yourself will be guided by your intuition, and you will yourself take the action. But I definitely see that there is a win-win situation at this point in time which is coming ahead. Just first of all, don't rush into anything. Be calm, relax, think about your situation, think about what you really want of this situation, release all the negativity, release all your emotions that are pent up in. First of all, that's very important. Let go of all the negative energies that are, building up inside you, because that's taking a lot of your energy. And maybe you're feeling a lot very overburdened. So please take salt water baths. People who've chosen this particular pile, rock salt water bath will really help you to ease off all the negativity that's really pent up in you, and it's draining you of your energy. Rest, maximum time 4 months for people who've chosen this particular pile, for you to sort out things in your situation. And again, I'm repeating that your relationship has come to a point. If this particular pile you've chosen for a relationship, it has come to a point wherein you're feeling that there is no point of return, things might not get better, you might be feeling betrayed, or again, whatever I have said in the past regarding the relationship. But I still see that you and your person will get back together again in this particular situation. Things will get better for you. And again, whether it's your relationship, whether it's your career, whether it's anything to do with your work front, anything on those lines, I have seen the win-win situation. It is on the cards, people who've chosen this particular pile. But just first work on yourself, see what you really want in this situation, and then cleanse yourself of all the negativity and trust the divine, trust your spiritual guide, connect with your spiritual master, and see how things work for you. So I hope the reading was helpful for you people who chose pile number 2 and it was resonant. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Also, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Art of Tarot deck. What you need to hear right now. People who've chosen pile number 3, there could have been some kind of a stagnancy, some kind of a dullness in the past. Things were very stressed out, things were not moving ahead, maybe things were very slow. For a lot of you, you must have faced an extremely tough time in the past or in your recent past, or are still in the midst of this. But very soon I see contentment on the cards. I'm sorry. I also see black becoming black, white is white. Your struggle is getting over. You're achieving a lot of clarity. You're achieving a sense of, absolute fame, or your image maybe had been distorted, or there had been some kind of a blame that was put on you, something on those lines. That's all getting clear now. You're getting free from all kinds of negativity very soon. Love, peace, prosperity, good health, wealth, anything of those sorts, if that's on your mind, it's just achieving the best results, very soon. And I see a sense of perfection, a sense of satisfaction, a sense of accomplishment for you on the cards. Trust your intuition. Your intuitions, your gut feeling is extremely strong at this point in time. So connect with the higher self. Try and connect your, if you connect your higher self, you will get the best intuition, you will get the best answers which come from within. They will guide you in your situation. 28 days from now, I see you having a full-fledged plan for yourself. I see you taking on whatever is on your mind and coming out victorious with flying colors. And I'm again repeating that I see a sense of satisfaction, accomplishment. People who've chosen pile number 3 for finances, financial growth, I do see a wonderful time approaching for you. Things are getting under control. This phase of stagnancy that you faced in the past is definitely, evading, and a new sense of balance, a new sense of, your yin and yang getting balanced is definitely coming on the cards. New hopes, new opportunities are coming to you within the next 24 days. It's a full amalgamation, of all the spheres of your life which are coming together and are getting balanced. A very positive time coming your way, people who've chosen pile number 3. And also, whatever, burdens, whatever bad past, whatever betrayals you've seen in the past is now ready to just move away from your life. A new beginning, a new chapter, a positive phase. It's time to nurture your relationships, your friendships, your work, anything that's on your mind, your business. Whatever efforts you put in at this point in time will give you the best results. And you might have ignored a lot of situations in the past. Maybe you didn't have the answers to a lot of your problems, but now you will be the master of your life. For a lot of you, 4 to 8 days, I just see how things just change for you, how things just come under your control. Your confusions that you have on your mind suddenly, give you the right answers. You weigh the pros and cons and you know that this is what I wanted. This, I was confused, but now this is the answer. A lot of you will get, sudden fortune, sudden events will manifold in your life, which will bring you new beginning, new opportunities. Something suddenly which crops up, you required money, something happens suddenly and you get it. You require a new job, it just pops out suddenly. So everything is in your favor, luck is in your favor, new partnerships coming your way, things are, your relationships are going to prosper, your work, everything that you've asked for in this particular pile. Like I said, it's the amalgamation of everything positive in your life. Trust the Almighty, connect to the Almighty, be thankful for what you have. That's extremely important. People who've chosen pile number 3, giving back to nature, thanking the universe for giving you the best. Again, I'm repeating, a beautiful card for people who've chosen this pile for finances, education, work, business, anything on those lines. Trust the universe, trust the Almighty, be thankful, surrender yourself to the Almighty, and that the universe will provide you with the best that is required. But just to stay away from negativity and just to be on the right track, it's very important to be in an attitude of gratitude. It's very important for you to thank the universe for providing you with the best. So that's very important, people who've chosen pile number 3. Also, again, you've done the best deeds that you have, you're getting the best results, but just stay away from any kind of negativity, any of coming into temptation of doing any negative deeds, because things are happening for the best for you. Don't come in any kind of a pride. Do not have that attitude of boasting just because things are moving well for you. You need to celebrate, go have fun, enjoy yourself, but by being extremely humble, by being in the attitude of gratitude, thanking the nature, thanking the universe. You could even just do some kind of a small deed of giving it back to nature. You could just do some kind of charity. Also, it's best time to seek knowledge. Like I said, the people who've chosen this pile for higher education or for work, business, seek the best knowledge that you can before you put in your next foot forward. Also, be very careful, do not pick your battles. You need to be very clear about actually getting into some kind of confrontation or not. There might be some small nitty gritty things happening in your life, or something that just makes you feel a little disturbed. Be very clear about which battle you really need to pick up. Be very wise. Don't get into any kind of argument, unnecessary. It's not required. People who've chosen pile number 3, live in the moment, cheer yourself up. Like I said, enjoy, celebrate. Also, this is a wonderful time that the nature is giving you. It's giving you healing of mind, body, spirit, as well as your soul. So just enjoy that and just do the best deeds possible. You do the cards are telling you to do the 7 heavenly virtues. That's the key to your goodness. So just do all the good deeds possible, and in this point in time, pursue spiritual growth, get enlightened. That's extremely important for people who've chosen pile number 3. It's very important. Enlightenment, which has to come. Like I said, your intuition, your gut feeling is extremely positive. It's going to give you the best answers. Your intuitions are very high at this point in time. So the more you try to pursue spiritual growth and enlighten yourself in the spiritual field, the better it's going to be for people who've chosen this particular pile. Victory, success, everything is on the cards for you. They are very positive. A beautiful time is coming your way. People who've chosen pile number 3. So just make the most of this time, make the most of this, wonderful time. And 18 days from now, anything that's still, tagging along in your life, anything that's negative going on at this point in time also will just evade, it will just pass off. Contentment, satisfaction, perfection, accomplishment is on the cards for you, people who've chosen pile number 3. So I hope the reading was resonant and beneficial for people who chose pile number 3. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Also, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much once again for staying tuned to my channel. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Stay safe and take care.